Create an email marketing strategy, whether you are already using a form of email marketing and planning to upgrade your strategy, or you are completely new to the topic. You should think about these major steps. Step 1 defines email marketing. Email marketing can mean lots of things to lots of people. To some, it involves renting lists, third parties, while for others it means cultivating relationships with your existing contacts to drive sales as well as customer retention. Step 2, set goals. Remember that you need to communicate the purpose of email marketing for your organization. Start with the goals of the others, can see how they tie into the overall business strategy. Step 3, list your contacts from the foundation of your strategy. After all, you're building a strategy around communicating with them. Your goals are tied to your actions, your list of the most important pieces of the puzzle. Successful email marketing is a result of sending relevant content. So your plan should include learning as much as you can about your contacts. Step 4, plan for content. One of the biggest reasons newsletters die is that people can't come up with content at the deadline. Create an editorial calendar for newsletters and have this ready with your proposal. Email can be seen as a tactical and inexpensive way to reach out to prospects and customers, quickly increase sales, or drive traffic to the website. It's a valid but very short-sighted view. By building a sound strategy, you will be able to set expectations for long-term success up front and alleviate those frustrations. One of the most important questions you need to answer when setting goals is, what is the purpose of email marketing for your business? Other important questions to answer include, why email marketing? What will email marketing contribute to your existing marketing efforts? How will your marketing efforts be tied together? What is your current lead generation process? How will email marketing contribute to lead generation? Do you communicate with customers regularly? Already, does email marketing replace or complement any of the communication strategies? Being able to reply clearly to all the previous questions will give you a good overview of your email marketing strategy and goals, which will be a great starting point to decide the most suitable platform and tools you need for your campaigns.